Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see invisible grill installation. So after getting an apartment, you have to look on to the safety purpose. You should not allow monkey or pigeon to peep into our house. So we need to install some grills. There are more types of grill installation like hard safety grill installation is also there, and this invisible grill installation is also there, and even pigeon net, like that you have net also. We have chosen this invisible grill because of 20 years durability, and it can be installed within a day, and the material used here is 316 marine grade stainless steel. The wire diameter is 2.5 mm and the cable distance is 2 inch, and it can be installed horizontal also, but I have chosen vertical kind of installation because this suits my apartment well. See how beautiful it is. It is like it doesn't even, you don't hit yourself when you touch this. It is not hard and the rust won't be formed. The maintenance cost of this invisible grill is low, and it absorbs the water completely, and moisture content cannot stay in this, so that rust cannot be formed. It can be installed with aluminium frames, 3-inch screws, and SS316 wires. Steel cross clips is required. So every 3.5 feet, one cross line will be installed if it is required. See, this is the materials which we use for this installation. So, because of installing this invisible grill, our child may not get hurt if they get hit with this grill also. But the